Most of you guys know how I made my first, little bit of money online. I was reselling on Craigslist. Like, I literally did this. Ooh, what's going on, Domination Crew? It's Rico, and today we're going to be talking about how you can make $500 by this weekend.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives. So, if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Rico. Me and my partner Dan, we talk about all things e-commerce, especially that Amazon private label dropshipping, FBA, a little retail arbitrage, some Shopify, a little eBay. That sound good to you? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, stick around for a little bit, man. But before we get into it, make sure you guys check out the link below, get into our free Facebook group so we can give you all types of free knowledge, baby. All right, so let's go ahead, let's get into it. Now, we get a lot of talk, a lot of chatter in the Facebook groups and all this stuff. And like, I would love to be mentored by you. I would love to be coached by you. I would love for you to help me make $100,000. Oh, woe is me. Boo-hoo, cry, cry, cry. And it generally boils down to this. They're like, oh, can you hook us up with a discount? Hook us up with a discount, please, because I don't have the money. I was like, you guys don't see the inherent flaw here, the inherent problem. If you don't have the money to have us coach you, you don't even have the money to be drop shipping on Amazon. All right, so you need to look at it like that. Like, if you're having an issue, paying us to coach you and make sure that you're successful, then you're gonna have problems paying for your products. You gotta make more money first. All right, got to make more money, period. Now, I know you guys have seen the $100 a month video by now, okay? That should be your goal. But if that's, something that you guys are like, oh, I'm not gonna do that, there's not enough money, we're gonna get to you guys making $500 by this weekend. It's gonna be 100% free. It's not gonna cost you any money. There's not gonna be no scams, no online surveys, none of this stuff. It's gonna be some hard work. I'm not even joking. You're gonna have to put in some work. But you will make $500 this weekend. So you guys obviously know about this website. It's called Craigslist, right? All right, cool. Craigslist is a place for people to advertise, their jobs, their labor, all types of stuff, whatever. You are going to be going to the free section of Craigslist. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, oh my God, free stuff? Like, oh, that's so beneath me. You broke Dick Danny. You need some cash, all right? Nothing is beneath you. Go to the free section of Craigslist. Find all this. The free section of Craigslist over in Philadelphia has thousands of listings. And I know wherever you guys are at, you can find some free stuff. You guys are going to go to the free section. You are going to find the things that are closest to you. You're going to hit up all those people, whether it's for, if you need a truck for furniture and stuff like that. But when it comes to other things, baby toys, clothes, small appliances, electronics, you guys are gonna hit those people up, all right? You're gonna hit them up, you're gonna send it, whether it's through email, whether it's through text, call, whatever you gotta do. You can be like, hey, look, is this still available? If it is, like, yo, I'm gonna come check it out. You're gonna relist it. You're gonna create your own listing using that information, using those pictures. By the time that you get over there, it should be close to being sold. You should be getting hits for that product to be sold, or you can take it directly to like a consignment shop. You can take it to a pawn shop. Your pawn shops will pay big squalor for certain items, guys. Like, if you can make a weekend trip, let's say like a Saturday of going around collecting free stuff, you don't need, make sure you do your listing thing like I told you, right? Make sure you guys basically relist. By the end of the day, you're gonna take everything that you've gotten, all these goods, and you're gonna go to the pawn shop and you're gonna unload all that stuff. It's even better if you have a truck, because you can get some pretty big items. Guys, this is how you're gonna bank $500 this weekend. Most of you guys know how I made my first, little bit of money online. I was reselling on Craigslist. Like, I literally did this, literally. This is when I had no money. My son needed diapers. I'm like, yo, I am negative in my bank account right now. What am I gonna do? I saw a listing for this old CRT TV. I literally took that listing, copied it, threw it up, and that's after I called these people, obviously. Copied that listing, those pictures, everything, relisted it for an actual price. All right, it wasn't free at that point. I listed it for like $200 and something. And this is back before flat panels were, cheap enough, before, LCD TVs and plasma were cheap enough for people to buy. So it was this big honking TV, right? And these people We're like, oh yeah, we're just giving it away because we're moving, blah, 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 blah. Well, a person contacted me through my listing and they were like, yo, we want to buy this TV. I'm like, yo, meet me right here. Meet me here and we're good to go. Before I had even really got everything squared away, I had already made my first sale. So simple. You guys have to start hustling. All right? Like, you can't just sit around and wait for it to happen. You can't just sit around thinking that you're going to become a Shopify millionaire. You can't. You gotta hustle. So that's it, guys. That's how you make $500 by this weekend. Plain and simple. Yo, it's an old school formula. It works, though. I've used it. Dan has used it. Make sure you check out the links in the description below. Be safe. Be smart. Make sure you guys ain't out there doing all types of wet and wild stuff. I'm going to catch you in the next one.